In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install UniGetUI program on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So UniGetUI is an app that allows you to update all your apps or programs all in one place on your Windows computer. To get this app, go ahead and open any browser on your Windows computer. For my case, I'll use Google Chrome. So I'll search for the app UniGetUI like this, and if I search, you can see we have this program under the Microsoft App Store. So go ahead and click on it to download it. Alternatively, you can also go to UniGetUI here, free Windows package, and if you click on it, now here you can download the UniGet, the easiest way to install and update apps on Windows, and click on download. Still, you can also get this app through your Microsoft Store. So if you go to Microsoft Store, go ahead and just search for UniGetUI, and if you click on enter, you can see we have the UniGetUI here. Go ahead and click on install, and this will download the latest version of UniGetUI app and then install it on your computer. As you can see, the installation is on. I'll confirm and click on yes to finalize the installation process. And once the installation is done, you can go now to your Windows, and you should see on your desktop we have the shortcut for our UniGetUI. So if I double click on it, this will launch this program, and you can now start updating all your program, all of them at one place. So that's how you can install UniGetUI program on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.